Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game crashing or not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5 first. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Then select power button, then select restart PS5. Once your PS5 restarts, now launch the game and check. Next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first. Now hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup and network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next solution is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to enable or disable HDCP. For that, go to settings menu from the PS5 home screen. Now choose system, then select HDMI from the sidebar. Here toggle enable HDCP to on or off and then launch the game and check. Next method is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. Next method is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts. Move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game and click on restore. Finally, confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to change language and console. For that, open PS5 settings and go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar. Select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next solution is to change DNS settings on PS5. For that, open settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup internet connection. Here select your network and press the options button, then select advanced settings and then change DNS settings to manual. The DNS of primary and secondary is mentioned over here. After this, choose OK to save. It is recommended to go to network, click on connection status, test internet connection to ensure it is working properly. Next is to check for game updates. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check for an update option and after that launch the game and check. Next method is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage. Finally select the game and then launch the game and check. Next method is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings in your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, click on system software update and settings. Next choose update system software if any update is available. Finally choose update using internet option. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings. At last choose restore option. Next method is to reinstall Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game. For that, highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game again to check for the error. Next is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain the issue you're coming across and the support team will try to resolve it from their end and you can play the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.